My name is Richard Cheshire and I'm the director of Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. I'm thrilled with the cast that we've got for Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and I do think the casting is 80% of getting a show right. The Geraint, Rhys Edwards, amazing actor who was also in Awst last year. He's playing one of the grandparents and he gets to play Mr. Salt, the Russian, Veruca's father. Phil Harris, everybody knows and loves. He's playing Grandpa Joe, and they're joined by a very, very talented actor called Sam Jones, who is going to be an amazing Wonka. He's astounded me in rehearsals already, and he and Charlie, and one of the great things about this cast is that it's augmented by very talented and exciting local children from all around the area, and our two Charlies are really working well with the cast, integrating well. They are brilliant, and I think they're going to break hearts with their story that they share with you in this production. The backstage crew are amazing. They're led by Pete Lockery, who has designed a really exciting, spectacular set for Charlie, especially in Act 2 when we go inside the factory and see all the wonders of Charlie's chocolate creations. Leanne Pinder is an amazing choreographer. She's done lots of work in the West End. She worked as a choreographer on Matilda the musical, and she has brought her magic to the Oompa Loompas and all the dancers and the dance routines. She's a real story-driven choreographer, which is what I like. David Haller, our musical director who's currently working at the Royal Welsh College of Music and Drama, he's incredible, and the whole team is working hard to bring this story to life. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory's got the most amazing songs. It's a family musical. It's not been done professionally in this area of Wales before, and everybody loves chocolate, who doesn't? And the story is funny, it'll make you laugh, it'll make you cry. I think audiences will really be excited by this production. It's a huge musical. It's a cast, the 9 professional cast are joined by at least 20-30 kids, and this is what we wanted to give, that kind of community mix with the professional cast working together. And I really would urge audiences to come and see it. Tickets are selling really well, because it's a real feel-good musical. It's the kind of theatre that we need, I think, at this time. I think audience is going to love the story. I mean, Charlie just is obsessed with Willy Wonka. He's never met him, and he meets him in this musical. His love and desire to see inside that factory where his grandfather used to work, because he's an inventor, he's a creator, and he's a young prototype Willy Wonka. And of course, without giving too much away with the story, Willy Wonka gives him the factory in the end. It's like a kid's dream come true. And so it's a kind of Cinderella story in a way. It's a rags to riches. Charlie's very poor, and we all love to watch the emergence of a hero and see somebody who's so passionate and excited about chocolate and inventing all different kinds of chocolate to make his dreams come true is a wonderful, exciting way in which I think audiences will really connect and be engaged with the story. I suppose the way in which this production differs from past productions is it's got a real Welsh feeling. So the family are all Welsh, and there's a lovely, and that I think really adds a heart to the story. So we kind of set it in Wales. We go to, of course, Bavaria, Russia, and also America in the production, because the Golden Ticket winners are from those different countries. But Charlie is a typical Welsh family, and I think that makes it sit in very well with where we are in Wales, and has a lovely truth to it. The hiraeth is there, and the whole passion and excitement of Charlie winning the ticket. It just gets to the heart, and I've really played up the family element in this production through my direction, so we bring the real heart and warmth to this wonderful story. Absolutely love in Act 2 the moment when Willy Wonka takes us into the world of his creation through this famous song about imagination. And I think it's one of the greatest gifts we're given as human beings, to imagine, and the audience is invited to imagine and enjoy. And at that moment of the song, all the children, and some of them are pretty naughty, change. It has a powerful effect on them, how they see the world differently. And Charlie says, you know, the lyrics of that song, anything is possible, anything can be done, anything can be made to happen if you truly want it to. And I think there's a very profound message contained in the lyrics of that song, so that is my favourite moment in the story so far.